Hey there, this is LaQuita with QUITABUGhandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I am so excited because I wanted to come on here and announce my new free online class with you guys. I have not done an online class in a while and I'm so excited about this class. I've spent a lot of time coming up with the projects. I had so much fun actually designing each of these projects, and this idea came to me on the drive back from New Orleans and I was so excited about it. So I've just been anxiously awaiting being able to get this class out to you guys. So this is a wellness class. This class features the Speedy Recovery Stamp Set. And there are lots of people right now who need a little pick-me-up or aren't feeling that great, and this stamp set is perfect for that, you guys. In this online class, we're going to make 6 projects, 3 cards, and then 3 gift ideas, so that you can send a little get well card, and then you can send a little get well goodie to a friend or family member, coworker, whatever, who needs that little pick me up and who needs to know that someone is thinking of them, someone cares for them. It's just a really great class and I'm so excited you are here, and I hope that you will join me in this online class and that you will sign up. I just couldn't be more excited. I really could not be more excited. So I'm going to actually take you over to the desk and I'm going to show you all 6 projects, and then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to explain to you the pricing and the options. There are actually 2 options and a third, but that third is exclusive to my team. But anyways, I'm going to walk you through all of that. So let's head on over to the desk and let me show you what comes in this class, and then we'll talk about the price. Okay, so let me just show you what you'll receive from me. So if you purchase the full class package, that one includes the Speedy Recovery Stamp Set, and you'll get the consumable kit to make 1 of each of the 6 projects, and then you get a little pillow gift. You guys, I'm so excited about this gift, and I am not telling you what is inside, but I think you're gonna love it. So anyways, and you get the little pillow gift from me. So this is the full class package, but you also have the option to just purchase the kit by itself. So this is a great option if you're a demonstrator, or maybe you already have a demonstrator and you want to purchase the stamp set from your demonstrator, but you want to get your hands on the kit. So this is a great option for that. But what you'll get with this is you'll get the full kit, and then you do also get the pillow gift. Okay. If you're purchasing the full, and everyone gets access to the online class video tutorial and a PDF that has just the measurements and a photo of each project. Okay, if you're purchasing the full class where you get the stamp set, you will have the option to add on the ink pads that I'm using. So I'm using Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Mossy Meadow, Balmy Blue. So those are add-ons for option 1. I'll give you all that pricing and everything in a minute when we go back to the other side of the room. And then I am using a blender pen for just a tiny little something on one of the projects. You don't have to have this, but if you want to add it on to the full class pack, you can. The projects. So 3 cards, you guys. They are just so cute. I mean, beautiful. I used the Awash in Beauty Designer Series paper. Gorgeous. And it was just perfect for this stamp set. I mean, perfect. I love matching designer paper to stamp sets. I really have a good time trying to figure out what I feel like goes well together. Okay, and then for each card, there is a coordinating little gift idea. So let's see. This little package for card number 1. This cute little package goes with card number 3, and this cute little gift idea goes with card number 2. So these are the projects that we're making. So 3 giftable ideas. And then of course the coordinating cards. So I hope that you guys are excited about this class. Okay. I am so excited, you guys. Okay, let's Go back over to the other side of the room. Okay, so, I mean, isn't this class awesome, you guys? I'm so excited about it. The projects are just so cute. I really love it. Okay, let's talk about the price, and then let's talk about the dates. The dates are gonna be very important, so please hang in there with me. So the price, so if you wanna purchase the full online class, where you will get the stamp set if you want to have the stamp set. So you'll get the stamp set, you'll get the kit, remember, to make one of all 6 projects. And then you'll also get my little surprise. I'm so excited about this pillow gift. And then you'll get your little pillow gift. And then you will also get access to the online class video. And then, of course, the PDF, which is photos and measurements. So you'll get all of that, and then the 3 envelopes as well. So that is the full class package. That is $53. To get or pre-order that particular full class package, there is a pre-order form in the video description below. You have to complete that form because I would be sending Stampin' Up! Product in the form of this stamp set with your kit, okay? So you do have to do the pre-order form, and then I will invoice you for that $53. You do have the option to add on the ink pads if you don't have some of the colors that I'm using, and you have the option to add on a single blender pen. I'm using a blender pen, but just for one image, so you don't even have to use the blender pen, but if you want to add that on, you can. So for that particular option, you do have the option to do those additional add-ons when you complete your pre-order form. Option number 2. So option number 2 does not include the stamp set or any other, physical Stampin' Up! Product like ink pads or anything like that. That option gives you the kit to make one of each of the projects, the pillow gift goodie pack, the measurement photo PDF, the 3 envelopes, that's just, part of the kit, and then access to the online class video tutorial, and that option is $30, which does include shipping, okay? There is a direct link down below in the video description where you can purchase that option, and then you will receive an email from me detailing what you just purchased, okay? Once I get the email from PayPal, you'll receive an email letting you know, hey, got your order, and then it'll detail the timeline of when things are gonna be coming to you, okay? And then the third and final option is an exclusive option only for my team of QUITABUG stampers. So if you are on my team and you choose this third option, you're gonna get everything that I just mentioned in option number 2, but for a discounted price of $23. So there is a link down below in the video description, and once I get the blog post up, all of these links will be over there as well, but there's a link in the video description for you guys. Remember that link, that third option, it is only for my team members, okay? That is an exclusive price for them. So you guys can click that third option, and like I said, $23, and that will include the shipping for you guys, and you get everything that I mentioned in option 2. You can order your Stampin' Up! Product like the stamp set and ink pads. You would get that stuff from yourself, not from me. Okay, I think I got it all. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. So the dates, pre-ordering this class is happening from today through September the 29th. Okay, I must receive all payments for this class by September the 29th at 9:59 p.m. because once that time rolls around, I am going to go ahead and get the order for all of the product, the stamp sets, ink pads, if any of you add that on. I'm going to go ahead and get all of that ordered, do the 2-day shipping so that the following week, starting on October the 3rd, I believe is that Monday, I can start, I should, either by the 3rd or the 4th, I should receive the order. Then I'm gonna start prepping, getting all of these kits ready to go, packaging everything up. I am solo. It's just me here in the office, you guys, in my studio. So I do all of this work myself. So it is going to take me a full week to prep, cut, do all of that for all of these kits. So I do need all of that first week of October to get all of that together. And then your kits are going to ship out on Tuesday, October the 11th. That is also the day that you will receive the email that contains your online class video tutorial, over an hour of class footage in that video tutorial, one-on-one, me with you. So it's going to be great. Let me know again if you have any questions. It's very important that you understand how you can sign up and that you understand those dates and timelines. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm excited. I hope you are too. And I look forward to seeing you in my online Speedy Recovery class. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye.